everybody, welcome to Medling World. Hanging out this morning, Disney Springs, heading over to the world of Disney. New Sorcerer Mickey merch is available. Come on in, check it out. Beautiful Super Bowl Sunday morning here at Disney Springs. Closing in on about 11 a.m. now. Kind of strange on a Super Bowl Sunday. I wonder how busy the parks are during the game. I bet you they're still busy. I mean, people come. You can watch Super Bowl on your phone, I suppose, if you really wanted to, but maybe not as busy as normal. I do want to walk by here, Gideon's Bakehouse, just to see if it's still a standing queue, standing line queue. No virtual queue yet. When there's a virtual queue, you'll have a couple team members up there, and they will take your phone number. You get a text when it's your turn. It can get up to a couple hours, but you can see. I haven't been to Gideon's in a few months. I used to do a lot of reviews from Gideon's, but honestly, I started getting kind of burnt out on the cookies, and I felt like I wasn't giving them a fair review. Their cookies are excellent, don't get me wrong, they are, but sometimes when they have one that's not as good, it's still really good, but it's hard to compare. So I took maybe I'll go back next month. It's been about good 3-4 months probably since I have done Gideon's. But look at the line this morning. It's kind of what I wanted to show you. It's wrapping all the way around. That's a good hour there. So I would imagine they'll start that virtual queue very soon. But I think now that we're going to World of Disney, I can go this way. I think now that it's been a few months, I would like to probably go back maybe in March, and we'll try a cookie. Hopefully, we'll see. But man, I love today. This is why people love living in Florida. A day like this, look at the sky. It's gonna be about 83 degrees. It's still February, so it's very dry. There's no humidity yet, and it's just simply gorgeous, man. And when you feel warm, you feel happy. I know I do. All right, let's make our way over, guys. I can't wait to see this Sorcerer Mickey's merch. And there is the world of Disney. And maybe a quick little update on the channel, guys. I want to thank everybody who has found us through our cruising vlogs. We've done several cruises now on Medling World, and I know a lot of subscribers have found us through our cruising, and thank you so much. We do have plenty more cruising coming up. And we're also in the middle of staying over at every single Disney resort and every single Universal resort. We've added Universal in. We started with just doing all the Disney resorts, but now with Roberta, if you're a subscriber, you know my wife Roberta, who's working at Epic, and we do enjoy Universal. We started staying over at all those resorts. So we're gonna do both parks, every single resort, both parks. And we do have another resort coming up. I think next week we're going to be staying over at another resort. We'll surprise you with that one. But again, we're going to be doing every single one. We're, I think, over halfway done through Disney, and probably right around halfway through Universal. So we are committed to doing every single one, and we will on Medling World. As we get ready to head into, we can go this way. I like going in together, guys, on Medling World. We keep it real on Medling World. I say that a lot because that's how we vlog on our channel. You're always on an adventure. We're together. We're gonna see if we can find Mickey's Sorcerer merch that has been released within the last few days, honestly. And they've changed this store. I'd say several months ago. They put all the plushes back there. That's where they put a lot of the seasonal things if you look straight back. But that has changed. Now the seasonal things are more towards this way, towards the right. And a lot of times the newer merch is kind of over here past the, well, this has changed too. This used to be all the home stuff, but now it's like, you know, lounge flies, ears, lots of different apparel through here. Let's head over into the middle, kind of like the little hub area of the store, and let's see if we can find Sorcerer Mickey merch. Look at, that looks like a Spirit jersey. Oh yes, we have found it, guys. And this, I call this the hub. Kind of like the area where the cast members walk back and forth, kind of the central area. Ooh, I love Sorcerer Mickey, by the way. Look at that Spirit jersey. Let's get into this. Let's take a look at this stuff, guys. Here are the ears, guys. I don't see a price, but ears typically $35. I really love Sorcerer Mickey, you know, so I probably will like this merch. Maybe others don't, but I just always thought he was so cool, especially when they had the big hat, right? At the park. It was really cool when you walked in Hollywood Studios. Look at that. The most magical place on earth. I just like that it says that. You got the Sorcerer hat in the front. Let's see if we can find a price on that one. I think it's Loungefly. No, maybe not. Yes, it is. So Spirit jersey is what I meant to say. Spirit jersey. So it's probably, probably 85, I would assume. This one, by the way, 30. A little fanny pack, I guess we'll call it. Got another bag here. Look at that. Oh, it's got a bunch of different characters on it, too. This one's just kind of one of those clutch bags or whatever, you know. Soft bags. Let me see if I can get a price on that. I usually don't like bags like this, but this one is very durable. I'm not saying it's waterproof, but it's a little bit thicker than a lot, and it does have a little pocket on the inside. It's actually not that bad.
Just means we need to go.
Not that bad. 25. Take a look at these ears, guys. Pretty cool. Again, I would assume 35. I don't see a price, but I would think they're 35. Very neat. Look at that detail on there. There's that shirt. I don't see it yet. Let's see if we can find it. It might be sold out, but man, is it nice. I would definitely wear that. I would wear that all day, man. Let's see what else we have here. Got an ornament. Very heavy, too. Look at that. These are usually about 30. Oh, 22. All right, 22 for the ornament. Look at the mug. I do love the most magical place on earth. It's a great merch, I think. 20. If you're into the parks, I think it's really nice. And it looks like we got a hat. Nice little basic hat. The hat, Sorcerer hat, Walt Disney World on the side. Hats are usually 30, guys. It's got the adjustable. Let's see. Yes, $29.99. So hat still holding strong at $30. Check out their towel. $30 for the towel, which is good because I have seen a few towels lately up to 35. So these are still 30, which they've been 30 for a long time. But there are some towels now coming out that are 35. I do want to show you the hoodie, guys. It's $80. It's got Walt Disney World, or Walt World, maybe. Oh, Walt Disney World. So this is the back. That is neat. That is neat. Sorcerer Mickey kind of holding it up. The magic of Disney with the hood. It's got the pockets in the front, zip up. Another nice piece of merch. So guys, yeah, all around that's all those sweatshirts I just showed you. They do have these. I don't know. These might have been around before. I'm not sure. The light up stick. Let's have a look at it though. I'm gonna put my beverage right here for a moment. Got Mickey, Sorcerer Mickey on there. Look at that. So this one's kind of lighting up. Hard to see. But yeah, not sure if this is brand new or not. I'm assuming that merch is all of it. I haven't seen it in the parks. But like I said, on Medling World we keep it real, so I could be. Maybe some of it is not new, but I believe it is. Looks like we got a throw here. Wow, look at that throw. That's what it looks like right there, guys. Very soft, very thin and soft. It must be double-sided, maybe? Let's see if I can get a price. 45, guys. 45. There's some more. Oh, wait a minute. No, we haven't seen that. That's like just a little keychain, or you can hang it on your bag. That one's neat too. You put the coffee down again. Oh, it's weighted too. It's heavy. It's not light. Oh, it's like a little purse. Put stuff inside. Very neat. Got a price on it though? No price. Not sure what that would cost. I could guess and probably say, yeah, $17.99, $19.99, something like that probably. Got this nice red one. Roberta would love that. She loves red. Let's see how much it is. Check the back.
$69.99.
$69.99. I don't think it's Spirit Jersey brand. But $69.99. It is nice though. Definitely nice. I don't see that Spirit Jersey tag on it though, so it's just, you know, a Disney product there. Sweatpants, $55. They got pockets in them. See if there's anything on the back. No, it's on the leg there. Walt Disney World with the Sorcerer hat. Let's see what else. I think there's another rack right there. Let's go have a look. Check out the hat. It says press here. Not sure what it does. Let's see. It might light up or something. I'm not sure. But yeah, it is the big hat. No price again though. No price on a lot of this stuff, which is a little frustrating. A little bit frustrating. Here's another hat. I like the other one better though. The other one was a little bit more kind of discreet and nice. And this one's a little bit cheaper, that's probably why. $25 for this hat. Another sweatshirt. That is a Spirit Jersey. I apologize if I've been saying Loungefly. I don't know why in my mind I keep saying Loungefly. Because I like Spirit Jersey and Loungefly brand. This is a youth one. Let's see, hopefully we got a price. No price again. Frustrating, guys, but at least I can show it to you. Here's a basic t-shirt. Plain on the back. Let's take a guess. Is this a kid's shirt? Not sure. No, I think that's an adult. I'm gonna say 30, $29.99. And we're gonna have to guess again. But I would say safe to assume that's $29.99. Most of the t-shirts that come out like this style are usually around that price. But I am definitely thinking that one's sold out. I do not see that anywhere. That one up on the top that I like. That is nice. Think I like it, guys? I think we covered it all. Let me kind of back up a little bit and have a look. It's all in this section here. This is everything I showed you. And I do not see anything else. So I don't see a Loungefly, which is a backpack. If you're familiar with Disney products, actually it would look something like this. This is a Loungefly, these styles. So again, possibly if I see one in a future vlog or if I'm walking around, I will highlight it. And I will highlight any other merch from the, I guess, I'm calling it Sorcerer Mickey. I don't know the official name of this. Maybe it's Most Magical Place on Earth merch, but to me, that's all about Sorcerer Mickey right there, man. Did find another one right here. Let's have a look at this one, guys. Just getting ready to walk out. So it's kind of off to the left side if he was standing in the front. It's another nice one. I like things like that. I either like them really like crazy busy or just kind of simple. 35, wow. I maybe take back what I said about the other shirt, but I think that other one looked like it's about 30. This one's a little bit more durable. Always good to check again. I probably walked by this and somebody said, Matt, what are you doing? You forgot the little kid one. Look how cute this is. Oh my God, that's so nice. Oh, that is so nice. 50. It's just a smaller version of the one that was over there. Very neat. And then this one down here, sparkling Sorcerer Mickey. See if we get a price on that one. 45. What? Wow. 45. That seems like that's the most highest price for what it is of the day for me, I think. That is not cheap, man. 45 for that. So I did do a double check, guys. I did cover all the Sorcerer Mickey's merch that is available there at the World of Disney on this Super Bowl Sunday. I would imagine it'll be there for several weeks at least, a couple months. I really like it. I do. I like that merch a lot, and I'll tell you, if I don't like something, I'll tell you right off. I like the collection as a whole. I like Sorcerer Mickey, and what I really like about it is the most magical place on earth. I like to see that written with the character. So I'm wondering, maybe it would be cool if they kind of continued the most magical place on earth and maybe added some other iconic possible characters of Disney on there. That would be really cool, wouldn't it? Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!